Here's how I create digital oil paintings in Procreate. I start by finding a reference photo from Pinterest, and then I just drag it so that it's aside my Procreate file. Then I go to my colors, hit plus, new from photos, and I click my reference photo and it creates a palette based on that photo. The brush I use is the oil paint brush within Procreate, and then I just start painting out basic blocks of color. At this point, I don't worry about any details and I just put in the main things that I'm seeing from the reference photo. It's also during this part where it's really important that I remind myself I am not a professional artist. This is just for fun and it does not have to be perfect. Once I have my base colors, then I'll go in and start adding the main details I see. Then I just keep adding details and looking back and forth from the reference photo about a million times until I have something that looks like my picture. And honestly, at the beginning of every one of these paintings, I don't know how I'm going to paint it, but eventually it just comes together somehow. Sometimes at the end of the painting, I'll add extra texture and details on top, and I go into that in my full YouTube video, but this is essentially how I do all of my paintings.